I saw my fastest growth as an artist when I accepted where I was and stopped demanding that I paint like artists who probably spent years getting where they were. In the end, art isn't only about the result, it's just as much about the process and the excitement over where it might take you, right? So now I'm not only excited about exploring texture in my art journal, I'm excited that I get to share it with you. So let me start this by being totally honest with you because when I first started painting, I absolutely did not understand the point of exploring. I just wanted to create something that was beautiful right away. Today, I love exploring because it helps me stay open to new ideas, to new movements, and even the mistakes I make turn into something better than I could ever plan. But over time, I actually understood that exploring is how the good stuff actually finds you. So, to get myself started with this painting, I picked a few large tools, and most of them are way bigger than the ones I would usually use in such a small journal. But since I was exploring, I just wanted to have fun with the process and I figured why not? Anyhow, it felt like a good way to just loosen up and see what would happen once I got some paint on my fingers. For me, texture makes a painting feel more real, like it has some kind of history or a life of its own. It's almost like every layer has its own little memory, even the parts that you can't see anymore, because they'll usually just shine through a tiny bit. And I just love the life that that brings to my paintings. So I'll just put on some music now and you can enjoy the rest of the process with me. And then I'll pop back in towards the end to share a few of my thoughts. every time I let go of how it's supposed to look, I find something new. So, looking at what I created today, I can totally see it's not perfect, but that's not the point. What really matters is that I stayed open, I was curious, and I let the process lead me. And honestly, that is the part that I'm most proud of. But there are also things that I really love in this painting. One of the things is the contrast between the dark purple and the orange, especially down at the bottom and along the right side. It's definitely these small discoveries that make the process so exciting for me. All right, so I hope you enjoyed the video and thanks for being here and exploring alongside me. And if you would like a little extra support with knowing when your paintings feel finished, you can download my free guide, The Clarity Checklist. The link is in the comment section below this video. All right, I'll see you next week. Bye.